T20 World Cup 2024 India vs Ireland Match Nong 8 Schedule and Best Playing 11 Date 5 June Time 8 p.m. Venue Nassau County International Stadium. Ireland Team Best Playing 11 Number 1 Andrew Balbirnie. Number 2 Paul Sterling. Number 3 Lurkan Dagger. Number 4 Harry Tector. Number 5 George Dockrell. Number 6 Curtis Kemper. Number 7 Mark Adair. Number 8 Gareth Delaney. Number 9 Barry McCarthy. Number 10 Benjamin White. Number 11 Josh Little. Team India Playing 11 Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Hardik Pandya. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh.